Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Got a few shop card shout outs. Got a new show brochure I want to share with you, and I want to share with you my haul from the Appalachian Scale Modelers Association show in Greenville, Tennessee this weekend. So let's get over to it. First up, guys, got a shout out for a YouTube channel and a Facebook page. The Facebook page is called Model Car Builders of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. Some great stock cars, some great builds on there. This is hosted by my buddy Jamie, and I want you to head over and check that out. I think you'll like it. And also, he has a YouTube channel called Models by Jay. Type it in just like that. In fact, the thumbnail that you see on my show coverage from the show in Tennessee over this past weekend, the Tim Richmond Folgers car, that was built by Jamie. So head over and check out the build process. Great detail on that engine in there too. And y'all know how I love to detail engines, but really good stuff. So be sure to head over there and check that out. And the Facebook page. Jamie, appreciate you, buddy. Next up, my buddy Jackson over at Goad Model Cars. Head over and check out his YouTube channel. Jackson did something very special for me. He asked me to send him some pictures of the Volkswagen, my Bug, in the condition it's in right now, which is that restoration kind of stage. And so I sent him some pictures, and he built a model and has it on a trailer being moved. I mean, it was very kind of him to do that. It's pretty cool. So be sure you head over and check out Goad Model Cars. Show him some love as well. Give him a thumbs up on those, as well as give him a sub. I know he'd appreciate it. And lastly, on the shop cards, got this one the other day, and this is from Kevin's. Oh, you know I love it. It's stock cars. Kevin's Scale Modeling. Good stuff. He's got a lot of stuff on there. By the way, one of the last videos that he put up was the model cars and coffee. And check out the engine in the Bobby Allison Miller Buick. Really great job, Kev. And I got a sticker. But cool stuff. And with all of you guys, appreciate the kind words on the back. Really do. That's just a sharp card. That really is. And this, be sure to watch the video on this build too. Really clean stuff. So I appreciate it. Next, I got a brochure finally, which I did not have, for the MDA show for 2025. Dennis was there, so I was able to grab a brochure or two. And this MDA show is in Roanoke, Virginia every year. This coming year, it'll be March the 8th, so you can make your plans early. And it is once again at the Berglund Center in Roanoke, Virginia. And by the way, you can go to www.mdamodelcar.com, print you off a copy of the brochure. On the back, you've got your rules and categories. The theme for the 2025 show is bubble tops. So those old GM bubble tops, the Buick, Olds, Chevrolet, Pontiac, there you go. So you got plenty of time to get one together. But bubble tops, that's your main theme. And then your secondary or sub-theme is the 70th anniversary of the 55 Chevy. That'll be a pretty good one too. Look forward to seeing what everybody comes up with on this. And again, www.mdamodeler.com. Now, what I picked up at the show. As many of you might remember, my granddaughter Zoe and I make day trips from time to time to the moon. She loves all things space, astronauts, that kind of stuff. And so I was over at Wes's Model Car Corner at Wes's table, and John Larkin was over there, and I saw this, and I went, oh, man, I don't have that. And I thought about Zoe, and then I thought, you know what, that's kind of cool. I wouldn't mind building that myself. So I scooped it up. Hey, $10, 24th scale. I thought that was kind of cool. And it comes with the astronauts And of course this is, and check out the decal sheet. A lot of cool stuff there too. And if you want to do the Earth version, I guess you could do it that way. But very, very cool. There's your engine and stuff down there. So got a little bit of detail to it. But I just thought, and this is from the old TV show, Space 1999. But I thought, you know what? That is just cool enough. I'm going to scoop that up. So I did. And also picked up something that I don't have in my stash, believe it or not. And that is one of the Thunderbirds of the old Revell ASA series. I have a lot of the Camaros, but I never picked up one of the Fords. And I really don't know why, because I kind of like that the shape of the body for that ASA racing and all that. But now I have one. So I had something in mind for one of these a while back, and I just still never picked one up. But I got a really great deal from Jamie on this, so I had to pick it up. And I know this has got the, I'm pretty sure it's the V6. Yeah, V6. And these kits are getting harder and harder to come by. Don't know if Revell could reissue them as generics, or I don't know, something. But they're actually pretty cool kits. They really are. So finally got a hold of one of those, and I have an idea in mind for it, and we'll see how that goes down the road somewhere. But the big thing, I picked this kit up because I have never had this kit, and it's another one that I don't have in the stash. Let me back off here a little bit. This is the Revell Monogram Square Birds. I built this set for a friend of mine right when they first came out. He brought it to me and said, hey, I'll give you this, you know, I'll pay you if you'll just build them just out of the box, which was a challenge as it was, but I did. And I had to say that I enjoyed building these things. It was different than a stock car that I would normally build, especially being these Fords, but it was really cool and I enjoyed it. So when I saw this one, and Jamie had this one too, great price, and I thought, you know what? I've always wanted to do the Neil Bonnet version that was sponsored by Purolator. And Mike's Decals has the decals for that. So, by the way, here's a picture of those two cars on the racetrack together. And of course, being from Spartanburg, South Carolina, the Bud Moore cars were all from right here. So I thought about the Melling car too. So I want to do one of these. I just don't know which one as yet, and kind of do a full detail on it. Open the trunk, all that kind of stuff. But that'll go in on the build list for down the road. I've got a lot of stuff ahead of it. But while I got it at a great price, went ahead and scooped one up, and I kind of look forward to tinkering with one of these. If you haven't seen these or built one, these little square birds, not bad, not bad. They're unique. And that's it, guys. That's everything I picked up this go-round. Appreciate you, everybody that responded to the last video for Dave Darby. The link is still in the description, and as we go out, there'll be the picture there for the GoFundMe page. Do remember Dave and the family in prayers, and if you haven't made a donation, thanks if you would do that. All right, guys, head over to HobbyNut Models. Check out Mark's inventory as always. Pick you up some MCW paint and any of the tool. Check out the tool section. He's got some really cool stuff over there, too. Whether you're a military modeler or auto, he's got it all. Okay, guys, appreciate you watching. See you in the next video. Later, guys. God bless.